Embrace the healing power of nature. Unwind your mind, reconnect your soul. Gardening, forest bathing, or simply spending time in a green space can significantly boost our mental well-being. The scent of earth, the touch of soil, and the act of nurturing plants can be profoundly therapeutic. Nature's abundant source of vitamin D, courtesy of the sun, not only nourishes our bodies, but also uplifts our mood. Nature is a friend and a healer, all wrapped into one breathtaking package. Let's cherish and protect this precious gift for our mental well-being. Studies show that spending time in natural settings like mountains can lead to better sleep patterns and improved sleep quality. Remember, these benefits can vary depending on individual preferences, health conditions, and the level of physical activity.